Hello guys, and welcome back to the video. In this video, I'll show you how to watch live sports on the Red Bull TV app. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the App Store on your device. In the search bar, type Red Bull TV and download the official app. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in using your Google account or any other sign-in method you prefer. After logging in, you'll be taken to the home screen where you can browse a wide variety of sports content, including motorsports, cycling, mountain biking, skateboarding, surfing, snowboarding, and many other action sports. Simply select the sport or event you're interested in, tap on it, and start watching live streams, highlights, documentaries, and exclusive Red Bull content. The app also allows you to explore upcoming events and watch replays whenever they're available. And that's it. That's how you can watch sports on the Red Bull TV app. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more sports and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.